Are you guys confused? Which product should I be using for my makeup? Then watch this video. Let's go! Hello everyone, how are you people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the bell icon below and then subscribe so that you guys are updated. Today's video is all about 10 must-have makeup products which are easily available in the market, affordable, beginners friendly. If you are confused which product to use, which product to start with, you can watch this video and I hope that this video helps you. Okay guys, so to begin with, here I'm going to show you two options for those 10 items. So the first thing I want to go with is the moisturizers, as many of you have DM'd me stating that I'm having dry skin, oily skin, which moisturizer should I use? So here I'm giving you two options. One is Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is long lasting, intense hydration for your daily use. This one is best for the dry skin. And this is one for your oily skin. This is Re-Equal oil free mattifying moisturizer. This is one which I use as I'm having oily skin. Till now this works for me in the best way. It hydrates your skin, doesn't feel sticky, and it is in kind of a gel form. So these are the two products which I recommend. This is Cetaphil for dry and Re-Equal for oily skin. Guys, second must-have product is definitely a primer. After moisturizing your face, you need to apply a primer so that your makeup sets properly. So here I'm having two options for the primer. One is Color Bar Perfect Match Primer and other one is Lakme Absolute Blur Effect. You can also go with NYX and you can also go with Pore Benefit. But these are some which are in kind of an affordable where you can use it in a daily basis. Now if I go with Color Bar, it's transparent and in jelly form. If you can see, it doesn't have any color. On the other hand, if you go with Lakme Absolute, this is in pinkish color, matte effect, gets into your pores, and also after applying this gives you a thin layer of brightness. You can see here I have applied Color Bar primer and this is Lakme Absolute. You can see the difference as this was transparent and this is little bit in pinkish tone. Next must-have product is your foundation. The foundation, the best foundation is the Fit Me foundation. If you're having oily skin, you can go with matte poreless. If you're having dry skin, they are having dewy texture foundations also. You can try that. This is so blendable, gets into your skin, gives you natural effect. In fact, I am wearing it right now. If you can see that how flawless it looks. The first preference is Fit Me. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. The second one, if you're having oily skin, you can go with Superstay 24 Full Coverage Foundation. This is one other best foundation. If you're having oily skin, you can just purchase this. This gives you 24/7. That matte effect stays on your face, glows using 220 Natural Beige. And actually I'm having one more option for the foundation because this is the one more foundation which I just love. This is L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Foundation. I'm in the shade Caramel Beige 108, Infallible Pore Matte. Here I will be giving you the options more on the oily skin side because I'm having oily skin, but as I told you, in Fit Me there is foundation for dry skin also, and if you want full coverage then you can go for Huda Beauty. That's also one of the best one, but for now I'm giving you three options, that is Fit Me, then Superstay 24/7 foundation, and the third one is L'Oreal Infallible Pro. So guys, the fourth must-have product is your concealer. Sometimes the people who are having flawless skin already do not need to apply any foundation. They can just correct their dark circles or just go with the concealer of their same shade, and that's on bingo. So guys, here I'm having two options for concealer. One is from Fit Me itself in the shade, I'm using the shade 20 Sand. It comes in like this packaging and it has this brush in angular form. You can select your own shade This is the shade which I am using. You can actually blend it with Wet Beauty Blender or the brush, however it's comfortable to you. And the second one which I use, and it's my personal favorite, is Krylon Derma palette. This is from Krylon Derma palette in the shade D4.5. It's very beneficial. You can take this if you're traveling, doesn't take any space. It's very easy to blend it with your fingers. You don't need any kind of a brush. Just blend it. See that? Product which I'm going to talk about is loose powder and compact powder. Those are very essential products. It's very important after applying your foundation, you need to set it, otherwise it might become greasy, or if you're having too much of sweat, the makeup might come out, so you need to fix it. So for compact powders, I would prefer Lakme 925. Now compact powders can be used on your creams, either BB cream, CC cream. Do not use it much on the foundation, because what happens, it becomes more cakey. After you apply the foundation, you should go for loose powders which are very good for setting your foundation. So for compact, I would like to go with Lakme 925. This is in Melon Matte. If you open this, it has a cute mirror, very handy. It has a cute sponge like a thing in which you can take the product and directly apply it on your face. For the loose powder, here I am using Derma Color Fixing Powder. You can also go with Fit Me or Sugar Cosmetics, but this is the one which I am using in the shade P4. This is banana shade. Guys, the next product which I'm going to talk about, and the must-have product, is your bronzer. Now the bronzer which I'm going to suggest is from Sugar Cosmetics, that is Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. It comes in like this packaging. If you open it, here there is a coin like a structure where the product is studded. Alternative for bronzer, you can go with L'Oreal Back to Bronze. I'm sorry, I am not having the product right now, but I've ordered it. It's going to come soon, but then I'm going to definitely leave a link below so that you can go and watch it. So these are the two products for the bronzers, beginners friendly. You can go with this, it's amazing. So the next must-have product I'm talking, and I think that everyone uses it in the present date, is the highlighter. I think even if you don't contour and blush, I think people are going with this highlighter because it gives you that glow. So the one which I am using and I recommend is, the first one is Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio. This is in the shade Molten Gold. If you just open this, this is in the gold. I can just show you. Look at that. Such a beautiful color. Gold. See that how beautiful it's shining. And the next one is from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Blossom Glow E319B. This is little bit in rose gold color, but this is very good. Sometimes you can see that. Ooh, how beautiful it's highlighting. You can see that. This is in the golden shade. This is little bit in pinkish tone. So these are the two products which I recommend and I use. Guys, the next must-have product is definitely your eyeshadow. You should be having at least one eyeshadow palette which has all the colors in it. So for the beginners friendly, I suggest Beauty Glazed palette. This is the palette. It has 63 shades in it, yes, and it has browns, it has peach, pinks, and all the vibrant colors which you can play with. Having like this eyeshadow palette is very beneficial, because if you are running out of your contour or bronzer, you can just take the brush and you can just go with the browns and then just go as a bronzer or contouring, or even you can just take a brush and then directly go on with your brows because it has browns in it. So it's very beneficial. As a person like me, I do not spend that much on my brows. I just have one eyebrow pencil, that's it, because whenever I do my eyes, I just do the brows by using the eyeshadow palette and the brush. So it's very easy, very convenient. Just have one palette and everything, you're set to go. Other eyeshadow palette which I would suggest is Jaclyn Hill palette, that is collab with Morphe. They are also having, already the second edition is out. This is the first one which I use. If I open it, please don't get scared because I have used this a lot of times. It also has like light shades, pinks, browns, deep browns, and these vibrant color here. This is also one of the best palettes I'm using for a longer period of time, and this is a little bit, compared to the price, this is much more higher compared to Beauty Glazed. But this is one of the things, if you want to invest, you can just invest in this one palette. So the next must-have product which I'm going to talk about is your mascara. Mascara is very essential in your makeup kit. If you're not having liner, kajal, it's okay if you just apply your mascara. It will just give you that good look to your... A lot of products in mascara, Maybelline, Too Faced, K, like Lakme, so many. But then I just found out this product and I'm so amazed, and I don't use any other product now. And this is so underrated, local product. I don't know why this is not popped out. This is from Glam 21 HD Dense Curling Spiral Mascara. I don't even know that there is a link for this. I'll just find it out and just paste the link below so that it helps you to find this product. This is such a good product. It has two sides of bristles. One, when it's an applicator for your lashes, when you're applying it, it gives you that application of mascara. And the second side is when you apply it, it actually curls your lashes. If you want, you can see I have applied this same mascara. Gives you so much of volume, so much of dense, that I don't know. I'm not actually shifting my mascara to anything else. I've stopped using other mascaras and I go for this, and I thought that why not like tell the people out there that just go with Glamour 21. Last product which I'm going to talk about is my favorite, and that are lipsticks. Even if you don't apply anything on your face, just apply a lipstick and bang on. You just look so beautiful in it. For the lipsticks, actually I'm going to show you 3 must-have lipsticks. One is nude, then it's a little bit of brown, and then I'm going to show you something which you need to have in this 2020. Nude lipstick, I'm having this lipstick from Nykaa. This is the mini one which I have purchased. This is in the shade 48M. I'll just show you the swatch. It looks like this. It goes on every skin tone, very natural. Sometimes it doesn't even show that you have applied anything. It just goes with everything. Next lipstick which I'm going to talk about is this one. This is one which I'm wearing right now. This is from My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. I'm just loving this lipstick. You can see a little bit brownish color. I think sometimes you need to have the browns also in your kit. The next lipstick which I'm going to suggest to you people is none other than Renee, which I have recently purchased, and I have already made swatches for this lipstick. I'm going to leave a link below, and this is having 5 shades in it, and this is very affordable. 5 lipsticks, 1.5 gram each, different shades. It has a cap in this. If you want the second one, you can just take this out and just pop this back and you can get the other shade. So this is something which you need to really invest in. You have 5 lipsticks in one. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that this video helps you. Please don't forget to comment below and let me know whether you're purchasing this product or not, and if you're using it, tell me the genuine review about it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. This encourages me a lot to make more different videos. And till then, bye bye, take care.